Oh, Donna. Oh, Donna. Madonna is big up on a nice clean self. Welcome back to another video. All right, so this video is a little different. Anyways, let me take time out for telling you, thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know, I love the feedback that you leave in the comment section. Me know me not always happy with the feedback because we not always depend one accord. But you know, thank you so much to the loyal people them and the loyal supporters them. God bless you. Thank you so much to support me. And me mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Because you never have to support me, but you did. So God bless you. Alright, so today's video is a little spicy, but let me just dive right into it right now. Alright, so I'm going to tell you 10 things that you need to know before you start dating a Jamaican guy, even overseas. Yes, long distance relationship. You need to know these things. Okay? Alright. 10 things that you need to pay attention to before you take it serious. You can date them, but pay attention to these things. Alright. Remember, I know, I was in a long distance. And I haven't spoke about this on this channel. So let me just tell you a little bit about me. I was in a long distance relationship and it worked out for me very well. Yes, it worked out for me very, very well. All right, so these are the first thing me want to know for know. Puss and dog not have the same luck. You know what that mean? Yes, you know better know. Puss and dog not have the same luck. So meaning say, what work for me, it don't must work for you. But you can try to apply certain things to see if it can work for you. Right now, the way old time ago, it's so scary because sometimes you don't even know who you talk to. You meet somebody online and you really don't even know. But let me tell you, don't make that fear you. Don't make that scare you. The good thing about it is that you're going to take your time and don't rush. You understand? The world is not ending on you. All right. So the first thing where you need to know when dating a Jamaican man, even a woman, I guess it go both ways, but me I gotta do one with Jamaican woman. All right. So for instance, you meet this guy online, you and him having communication on a change number, and you know, on to start to admire each other, want to look like, on to start to have dialogue, video calls, and all that stuff. Pay attention to this. Number one, if he's going to beg you money. Me know Jamaica hard and everything, but you want to make sure that the person you are talking to have a job or a business. They are working. Okay? They have that mindset from Jamaica to have ambition that they will build with you when they come here in America. Right? If you find a person not asking you for money, then pay attention to that person. Because I have spoke to friends, I've talked to people that said within 2 weeks, they start to beg them money. Sometimes even before 2 weeks. So begging a woman money is a turn off for me. Yes, I don't want no man beg me no money. Go work. You're supposed to take care of me. Yes, if you're in a one situation and you fall back and you depend your face and me can help you out little. Me I gotta do what me can do for you, but don't get comfortable with it. I'm serious. That's me. I am so serious. Me not mind no man. Yeah. I mean I look for no man mind me either. Me work very hard for what me want. Alright, so that's a number one. Number two, ask him if he have children. Because sometimes they have children and they are hiding their baby mother and they can be in the same house talking to you. If that man lied to you by some means necessary and you find out, then you know that relationship not gonna work. Yeah. A man must be bold and be a man and not a child, not a boy. if you're looking to be in a relationship with somebody, you gotta be honest. You can't be lying to the person. If you know that person is not for you, then it's just not for you. Be honest up front with the person that you want to be with, or a potential. It's either they're going to take it or leave it. Some people wants to hide things and then will tell you later, but they don't realize that's when you fall in love with somebody and you damage that person. So they're gonna have you off. You're gonna build that foundation from scratch and build it right. Okay, the third thing, what are their goals in life? What kind of goal that they have that, you know, say for instance that you are living in the US, you are a low income person. What is it that they can put to the table? What can you, if you decide that, okay, I'm gonna file for this person and I want to be with this person, what are the goals that what can he put towards you? You are here busting your shot, doing low income work, just paying rent, because sometimes a lot of low income person cannot buy a house, so they are paying rent. They barely can save a dollar. But yet you're gonna borrow the money now and you're gonna say, all right, me I go to the island, go marry to this person. What can we work together? What can we build together when you come into this country? You have to you have to ask these kind of questions. You understand? So and you have to have a mindset, you plan. You have to plan these things. All right. Which one we did? The fourth? All right, let's say the fourth, because me never remember for the third that. Me just I guess off of my head because I've been through it. So I kinda know. I kinda know the kind of question that I wanted to ask. All right, so the fourth question is, um, will they work when they come here? What kind of job will they do when they come here? You are here, you live here, you know what kind of job that you are doing. Can you guys pull together doing that job? Because the last thing you want to do is file for somebody from coming to a different country to sit here and depend on you to take care of them. That's the last thing you want to do. This place is not easy, and one hand cannot clap with you alone here. Much more if you take up another amount, put in your house, and them not intend to go work. And that's just the facts. Me nah go run a corner. Truth. One hand can't clap. You alone a struggle with your one hand to clap. So if him come and yes, him not have the qualification, they don't knock him down because him not have no education. Don't do it. Don't do that. Don't knock him down if him not have that kind of education where you might say, all right, then him whatever. Because him can come here and come pick up a trade, go learn to build house with somebody, and him get that trade and him willing to go work. And like from this couple years down the line, him have a certificate and a build house himself. So now knock him down. Because trust me, one thing with this country, I have learned so much. I have so much story to tell you on this channel, guys. Don't knock him down. You hear me tell you? Because sometimes some good man are the one them where not that bright. Sometimes. Me I tell you. All right, them willing to do anything for you. The next thing, number 5, um, picture on a life together. If you video call that person on a regular basis and you can have a dialogue and a communication with that person and you see your life together, you can know from a distance if that person care for you. Because why? They checked on you, they call you, they find out how you're doing. If you're hurt, listen to the tone of voice. Yeah, stuff like that. They checked up on you all the time. You're not sending money to these people. Don't do it. You're just building a foundation, relationship, a friendship, and a bond. You're doing that before, you know. Don't spoil anyone, whether woman or man. Don't spoil anyone. Yes, get to know people because sometimes they don't know who you're even talking to. So get to know people and see how consistent people are. Okay, the sixth one is, you see, by communicating on the phone and the level of communication and the passion that you have for each other, you know if you live into the environment together, you guys can get along. Because sometimes you meet people online, but when you see me and live with me, it's two different things. But the more you have conversation with that person, the more you can see yourself with that person, then that also help you to know if you can live with that person. So the more you talk, I used to talk sometime on the phone with my husband for like 10 hours. And it's like we never get tired of each other. So that is the reason why I'm saying that. And I know this is America and you work, and it depends on the job where you have. So it's hard for you to on phone attack. But my husband used to have a little earpiece, and which part him used to working at the hospital. Him phone down in him pocket and him little earpiece there, so and him a talk to me. Him a do him work and him a find time for talk to me. When anybody a come, him a tell me shh, blah blah blah. Yeah. So you build that foundation with that person. I'm not gonna say as you meet the person now. I'm talking about as the step goes by and you're growing. You understand? So that's how you build. I'm talking about big people. Young people now do that. Like majority of the young people, them now do that. They're in a rush. They're in a rush. So me I talk about big woman we overseas and sometimes, in a want to go in the dating world, but them scared. Yes. All right, number 6. Um let's talk about, I don't know, everybody will now work or whatever, but them willing for, like, say for instance, say your partner there Jamaica, your partner there overseas and him now work, right? You meet him online and him now work. You have to try to encourage him to get a job. See how him going to take that. What him can do to achieve little money in him pocket. You have to know where him a work. Cause you don't want him a do something what is not what you would have want in the future, and then you find out when you come here. Try to know him whereabouts, where I'm comfortable with him whereabouts, right? I have me talk to people. I'm gonna share this story with you. I talked to this lady one day that she went to Jamaica and she married this guy and she loved him. The guy did have a baby mother and maybe a number 6. And she go down and she spend borrow money, low income person. And she borrow money and she go down and she married to the guy in a hotel. The guy, baby mother, find out. And all along the guy live with the baby mother. All along. All the woman feel live with that woman and you don't know that. You have to find out. Him have to answer him phone every time when I call him. Put it, keep it on ring. I have to know when him upset or edgy. I understand say sometimes a man not gonna be, but if him not loyal to you, when him there out here, when him come here, him not gonna loyal to you. Loyalty is everything. And if you're building a foundation, you have to build it with trust. And if you feel like you don't trust him, no bother with it. Because you not gonna can't trust him when him come here. As the man come here, the man left she. So now put yourself in that situation there. It hard, it hot. Find out if him have a whole heap of single man there out there interested and want a nice woman. Whole heap. But sometimes you not choose the wrong people. That's why you have to build a foundation, and if it not gonna work, just not gonna work, cut it off. Cut it off. A whole heap of people me know will regret what they do. But that doesn't mean say you mustn't try and keep trying. Cause growing up them say every who have their sticker bush. And now the way all life I run right now, it's like you don't even know when you date somebody where I date the two sex. I date the two sex. You know what I mean? Them I date both male, and you don't know who you pick up in your life. And it's so scary. That's why some people have to run. But let me tell you something. Real people are still out there. Real people, loving, caring people who are looking for a solid relationship is out there. But it's just you have to keep looking. Look for red flags. Look for them. All right, number 7. Listen to how, try to get involved in that person family life. Even though you have never met them, build that relationship. Don't run for go meet up with them. Build that long-term relationship, because if it not gone away, them are gonna get fed up and drop off. You hear me tell you? Them are gonna get fed up and not interested. Lead with your head and not with your heart. You hear me tell you? Lead with your head and not with your heart. Because when you lead with your head, you focus more. But when you lead with your heart, you fall in love and you get jumpy and you rush into things that you're not supposed to rush into. So brace yourself when you decide to go into these relationships, that you don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to get hurt. And build that love on a distance and not on a rush. Don't build it on a rush. Don't get so hype, ready for show body parts and do all of them something there. Don't make nobody tell you for show body parts on the phone until you build that trust. Because you have some woman, them see the man picture and them see the man and them feel like the man are gonna run away. If him for run away, make him run away, go on, because him was not yours. Him was not yours. So make him, if you have to run, there's more handsome and nice guy out there. Just your turn is your turn. Don't rush it. Your turn is your turn. You hear me tell you? And one of the main reasons why I want to say this, when me did say 8 or 9, I don't even know me there. But one of the main reasons why me want to tell you this, because, coming to America, I am a low income person. I come here with very little education. That's why I say don't knock down people where you don't feel say no have nothing. I come here with very little. And I go to school, I take courses upon courses upon courses upon courses to better myself. And that is just my encouragement to you. Don't knock down somebody because they have a heart and you're looking for that too. So that's number 9. You're looking for that person who have a heart, who is caring, who is around their family, who is family orientated. And them now get up every day and a cuss and a class them family per phone, or them family this and them family that. You want to see the kind of bond where they have with their family, because that will tell you the kind of bond he is going to have with you. So pay attention to those kind of things. When somebody is family orientated, yes. And if it's not for you, it's just not for you. Not because him look nice, oh, him is a nice looking guy. It's not about looks anymore. Anybody can go do things, do eyebrow, do makeup, go do facelift, go do that, go do this to look nice. Anybody can go do what they want to do. But it's not about that. It's about here. You're looking for somebody who will make you happy. Somebody who you can, if you feel sick, they can make you a cup of tea. If you feel sick, they don't look down on you. They love you same way. If you're in at the house and you and them in there and it's a pandemic and you not work, him not work, and him not drag you, she not drag you. You get what I say? Them you not agitate each other, you not beat down each other. You're looking for that companionship. Big woman and big man now is not about just, whether young people who have their mindset here, it's not about sex anymore. It's about a companionship, because loneliness is sometimes it's just not nice. I don't care what nobody say loneliness. You lock up in a house by yourself, just watch TV or being on the phone all the time. It's good to have a companionship with somebody. It's good to build a lifelong relationship with somebody. Yeah. One good 10 years knowing that you know go through hard times, good times, I want to overcome these things. It's good. It's a good feeling. When obstacle comes, we want to work together on them, not above and beneath, but wanna meet each other in the middle. Talk about finance. Number 9, I think it is. Talk about finance, like what your partner would want when you come on to finance. Whether if you're low income or high income person, you wanna see in mentality towards getting a house. If you don't have one, him don't have one. Kind of talked about those kind of things and see how, because I know people living in the US right now who've been here for like 20 years and don't even own a bed. Been here for like 20 years and just wanna live off others. So you want to talk about, like, they're not interested in having a home, not interested in even renting together. Not whether if you buy a house here or you buy a house at Jamaica, like those are dreams, those are assets, things that you want to invest in. So if you just want to live, and you're not try to do something where you say, okay, your money will grow this, so you buy a house, so you know, say the money will go up. That is an asset. You know what I mean? Car, clothes, and this and that, and furnitures and stuff. Those are not assets. Those break down and fall apart. But when you have land and properties and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Those are your assets. Okay. Number 10, find out if this person, I mean, some people don't really believe in God, but number 10 for me is that this person know how to pray. This person will pray with you. This person will pray for you. And if that's what you want, they can pray with you. Because let me tell you something, a relationship without prayer, trust, communication, and believe, it's not going anywhere. Trust me. Prayer, trust, communication, honesty, and belief. 5. It's not going anywhere. Nope. So you want to make sure you have those going into your relationship, and your partner and you have the same values. Okay? Try to have the same value with that person. Write these things down and look for them in your next partner. And tell me what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. And tell me what you think about my videos. If you like them, you know what to do. Talk to me in the comment section, because guess what? I'm very much active here. I read all your comments. God bless you all and have a wonderful day. And guess what? God bless you on your journey. Everyone deserves happiness. And sometimes you have to make sure that you're happy with yourself, because if you don't, you cannot be happy with. And that's number 11. You have to make sure that you are happy with yourself, because without that, you cannot happy with someone else. Okay? God bless you guys and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Love you. Bye.